Boulder Highway. It's a freaking desert or something. It's Thursday, 6 o'clock, 106 degrees. And I believe we're right at 2 months. I'll look that up and make sure, but I think it's about 2 months since this place first opened. The last time I came out here, I was kind of confused about the sports betting. And then I read where they do have a kiosk for sports betting. So I'm going to physically see it before I tell you they do. Don't see it yet. This is a really nice bar. If you live out in this area, look at the seat you would have to watch your favorite games. I'm sure they put it on if it's not already on. They have $3 draft Coors and Coors Light, and they have $3 premium drinks, premium cocktails, as in Jack and Coke. Smirnoff, I believe, is the vodka, but anyway, it's premium, not well drinks. This is a Boyd property. But that $3 premium drinks is kind of like Station's property. Oh, I forgot to look. I think the Joker's Wild has already been torn down. It was so windy when I came in, I couldn't hardly see. Good looking machine right there. So is that one. Ooh, look at these. I almost helped them because there was a square they weren't hitting, and I knew they needed to tap it. $3 pop-ups. And there are no table games out here. But you have these two $3 pop-ups. And that's a $3 roulette.
Place your bets, please.
No, I'm wrong. This is $1. Oh, much better.
No
Yeah,
more bets.
$1.
Thank you.
Yeah, much better. Okay, looks like they have torn down the Joker's Wild. Check it out. Yeah, parking lot. This store is not available. Wow, they just added a hell of a lot of parking. They could have used that on opening day. You never know that Joker's Wild was even there. A very well lit, perfect lighting in my opinion. Sometimes they go overboard and the lighting is so bright that it puts you in not the right vibe. This is perfect. Of course, they've got all the newest games because, they're new. They got all the real colorful games. That's all I care about is the colorful games. Now, I do want them to make crazy sounds too, though. They got a taco bar back here. $4.19 taco, $15.99 burrito, sopia, $7.99. Why is that burrito so damn much more expensive than a taco? I don't know. Quesadilla, small one, $3.59, a large one, $11.99. Vampiro, I don't know what that is, never heard of it, $7.99. Chicken wings, 6 wings with fries and ranch, $14. Asada, loaded nachos, medium $13, large $18. Pastor, that's marinated pork, $13, same prices. This is a cute little place. And then they got a little bar here with a sports bar. Not a little bar. It's actually a pretty. This is the Tin Lizzy. Looks like they have live music out here. Yeah, they do. Yeah, he's getting ready to put his groove on. Him. They have good specials in there. Let's go see what they are. I think they might even have prime rib at this establishment. This habitattry. They have a $9 pizza from Sunday to Thursday. Let's see what else. Oh, they do have live music. Even more than just a DJ. I think DJ is tonight. Surf and Turf, $24.99. Wow, that looks pretty good for $24.99. That's Father's Day. Okay, that's a special. I think I saw this couple when I was walking in just a little while ago. I mean, I guess that's possible, isn't it? I didn't know they were famous, or else I would have done nothing about it. H.B. Woods. Oh, that was the guy I just saw in there setting up. Yep, that was him in the flesh. And there's their liquor prices. Jameson Mule, $7. I've heard of that. I never had it. Jägermeister, $6. $8.99 for breakfast. Twin taco feature, $7.99. Damn cigarette right behind me. Cheeseburger, $5.99. Dine in only. Anyway, it looks pretty good. Country fried steak, $17.75. Damn, that just one cigarette was causing all that problem. Otherwise, the air is pretty fresh in here. Every casino will have spots where the ventilation is just not working right. And even though this is brand new, they need to work on that spot. Okay, let's find the sports betting kiosk. I don't think they have it. I was told they had it. I thought I saw it on a commercial. Let me ask this old timer. Oh, okay. He pointed me in the right direction. Here's the sports betting over here. Damn, I walked right by it. So there it is. That's all the betting that you can get in the Sportsbook. Shit, I was standing right next to it, wasn't I? Or no, I wasn't. That's the rewards. This is the sports betting. And all your tickets can be cashed at any Boyd's casino. So really, you don't have to have a sports book. This will do everything. You can cash your ticket here. You can do everything you can do at a big sports book. That's why they're going to get rid of all the damn sports books. Except the ones that are just drawing people in for, you know, their other business, like Circa, like Westgate. Most people are just not interested in sports books anymore. I mean, not customers, I mean owners. They just don't make money. We want stuff that makes money. And stuff that makes money is standing right in front of me, right there. This guy right here, he makes money. Him. He's one of the chief money makers. You should see his money maker. If you ask him, he'll show it to you. Oh, no, I was just looking at that. Sorry. She thought I was going to take her chair. I just want to look at that old man that was on that slot machine. Is this the same pig? Him. And then here he is over here. Maybe that's his brother. He don't look the same. I showed you the bathroom just to show you how nice it is. I wouldn't have turned on my camera if someone was in there, by the way. I'll never do that, I promise. I think it's 30 to 35 mile an hour winds out here right now. So definitely hair dryer. Yeah, it's really blowing.